Run us through. What's the pitch? How does that work?
Well, it's the pitch. Well, we start out with, have you heard about ComEd's net metering program? You haven't? Well, pretty much ComEd's looking for qualified homeowners to switch to solar, and they're giving them money for it. And what we do is, like I said, we run a free report, shows how much energy your home can produce. And then if it ends up being a good fit for you, you'd be saving money every month and no money out of pocket.
So on average, how much would somebody expect to save compared to, say, ComEd?
So when you're looking at those kinds of savings, you're looking at like over the course of 25 years. And really, nobody really thinks about how much money they're putting into their utility company over 25 years, but it is in the tens of thousands of dollars. So when you go solar, you're really taking back ownership over your power, and you can potentially save tens of thousands of dollars over the course of 25 years. And everybody uses energy differently.
Yeah.
So it depends on your home, how big it is, how much energy you use. Absolutely.